Hello, hello. Eid Mubarak, you all. So today is Eid day 2 for me. And yesterday, trust me, I just could not get any time for myself to get changed, put some makeup on yesterday. I mean, if you guys know, like for Bakrid, there is too much of household work to be done anyway. But yeah, this was my first Eid where I was able to sacrifice an animal. So yeah, that's an accomplishment for myself. And this is the makeup that I'm wearing finally on day 2. And this is the full outfit. It is so hot outside, you guys. I just couldn't dare to wear anything else. This is really comfy and I love this dupatta. It is like, I don't know, when I saw this, it was literally screaming my name, take me. And yeah, I tried to match my bangles also along with it. I love glass bangles, you guys. I tried to put some henna as well, but now that we have to wash our hands 100 times a day, what is the point of wearing mehndi, isn't it? And these eyelashes, I feel like I could literally fly with this. And finally, guys, after 3 days, now I can sit down, relax, and enjoy my Eid. I hope you all have had an amazing Eid, a beautiful one, and a safe one. Take care. Love you.